did more research, I came to conclusion library extension maker. In this, we are not only down to use the tools or the extensions which GameMaker have, but we can actually make our own extension as well. And this is made by the combination of GameMaker interpreted language. That is how we can make the extensions. There's some brief description, and this is the extension I have made by Asif Amin, and this is how the scientist can stick on the helicopter. It seems that he's sitting behind me. Then at the end, how I have implemented all the game and everything, creating game story and everything. I actually have followed the industry game the way they make the games. That is, the core team gets together, think of ideas, and then they design backgrounds, characters, then give them some intelligence, behaviors, and different things. That is how I went through this. It's a bit slow. Then I designed a sketch of the game and backgrounds. Design the game backgrounds and different platforms, the room where the objects can come. Designing characters, different sprites to them. After that, placing the whole backgrounds in the game so the background is available, and now the characters and the objects can come and play around on it. Adding different parts and everything. So those objects goes on the backgrounds and everything. After that, testing and modifying was one of the most important things, because until I don't test quickly or regularly, I would go so far without knowing what's happening, and then I will be busted with so many errors, and it's difficult to solve them all at the end. So testing, modifying goes together. Then all the objects which are on the background, they have to interact with each other, which will result in many errors as well, but these need to be solved. After that, designing menu and description and everything. That's how, and then testing, modification, final test, modification and evaluation, and then the game is ready. So it's even available for you to try it now, or if you have any questions, you can ask me. I'm happy to answer them.
Thank you very much, Asif. Are there any questions for Asif? Alex?
I'm going to demonstrate your game, do the demonstration later on today. There's a demonstration session, you may be aware of that, it's part of this conference.
Yes, I can demonstrate it. I've got the real game as well with me.
I'm just saying whether you're on the list for people making a demonstration from 3 o'clock onwards today.
I'm not sure, but I was only told to do
No, you can-
presentation and everything.
I think it's better if you set up the demonstration later so other people can try that.
Yes.
I think that's how we go.
People can actually play it as well. And have fun.
How much did you feel constrained by the games engine itself? I mean, it was quite interesting that you were able to create your own modification and so to extend the games engine to some extent. But I just wanted to get your feeling for how limiting it was to use a tool like that, which is a very specialised kind of tool.
Well, yes, there are already some features in the tool which we can use to make different kind of games. But if we want to go, something is in our mind, and to bring it here, it may not be in the mind of the game maker, developer, programmers. So we have to use our own mind, go to the library extension maker, do the programming, and make those extensions by ourselves and different features. And we can implement that in the game. And most of the problems I faced during the game was actually when the objects are interacting with each other. And that's a problem because most of the objects don't know most of the things, because when interaction happens, the situation changes for the object for which he's designed, and then he don't know what to do, and it gives a lot of errors. So for this reason, the objects need to be made more smarter, more familiar with the situations.
And does the tool allow you to do that if you have more time?
It's not up to tool, it's up to mind, how we think and how can we design that. Let's suppose I have problem like when my hero helicopter destroys, it will actually change the object into a burning helicopter which will come down. But when it destroys, the alien helicopter is still shooting 5 bullets to me. It already has shoot 3, but 2 are more to come. What happens that the bullet is actually designed that it should come to the helicopter. It's not the helicopter who is shooting to me. So the 2 other bullets who are supposed to come, they don't know because the hero helicopter is destroyed and now it's giving me error. So for this reason, to solve this kind of problem, we have to think what we're going to do with this. Simple idea. We can go and destroy the bullets as well when the hero helicopter is destroyed.
Any more questions? Okay, thank you very much, Asif.